Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Today we're diving into some practical and easy-to-follow home organization ideas. Whether you're dealing with a messy kitchen, cluttered closet, or even that junk drawer we all have, I've got some simple hacks to help you transform your space. So grab a coffee, a cleaning cloth, and let's get organized together. So let's start with the kitchen. It's often the heart of the home but can easily turn into a mess, right? First up, get yourself some clear containers for pantry items like pasta, rice, and cereal. Not only does it look cleaner, but it also lets you see exactly what you have and when you're running low. Plus, it gives a really polished look, almost like a pro pantry. If your kitchen drawers are a mess of utensils and random gadgets, try adding some compartment organizers. These keep your spatulas, knives, and other utensils separate and easy to grab. Drawer dividers are game changers for keeping everything in its place. Now, onto the living room. We spend so much time here, so having it organized makes everything feel calmer and more inviting. One of my favorite hacks is using decorative baskets or trays to gather remotes, chargers, and other small items that clutter the coffee table. It keeps everything together, and it looks great too. If you have a lot of blankets lying around, try storing them in a storage ottoman. It keeps them out of sight, but still within reach for those cozy movie nights. Section 3. Closet and bedroom organization. Now, onto one of the trickiest areas, the closet. Decluttering and organizing this space can save you time in the morning and make it easier to find things. To maximize closet space, try switching to slim, non-slip hangers. You'd be surprised at how much extra space it gives you, plus they keep clothes from slipping onto the floor. If you have a small closet, rotate your clothing by season. Store the out-of-season items in bins under the bed or on the top shelf. That way, you only have the clothes you need for the current season within easy reach. Section 4. Bathroom organization. Next, let's tackle the bathroom. With all the products and essentials, bathrooms can easily become cluttered. One trick is to use clear containers for items like cotton swabs, hair ties, and skincare products. Clear containers make everything easy to spot and keep you from digging around in drawers. If you're low on towel space, adding hooks or a rack on the back of the bathroom door can make a huge difference. It keeps towels off the floor and within reach when you need them. Section 5. Entryway organization. Finally, let's talk about the entryway. It's often the first place we see when we come home, so keeping it tidy sets a positive tone. A shoe rack near the door keeps shoes organized and out of the way. And if you're short on space, stackable bins or baskets can work wonders too. Keep keys and incoming mail in one designated spot to avoid clutter piling up on counters. A simple wall-mounted organizer by the door works great and helps keep things tidy. Outrow shot of you in an organized room. And there you have it. With just a few simple hacks and some dedicated time, you can transform your home into a clutter-free, organized oasis. I hope these tips inspired you to tackle your space. Let me know in the comments which area you're going to start with or if you have any other organizing hacks to share.